অফ করে দেন, অফ করে দেন, আমি টিপ মারবো।
Welcome to this online class. Hope that you are all well. Today we are going to discuss Mahjong Life. Mahjong Life. This is the belong to Unit 5. Unit 5. We are going to discuss Mahjong Life. Read text. Read text. Mahjong is a poor, poor woman. He lives on the bank of the river Jamuna. It is the village of Sirajganj town. Her shelter is polythene wrapped. He is she is 45 years old. That light older than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook her meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some pollen, leaves and straw in the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire. Already the dancing flame remind Mahjong of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Mahjong had everything: family, cultivable land and cattle. Actually, he is a well-off person. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour mother's house, trees, vegetables, garden and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease, that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on her loss and pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousand others waiting to share the same fate like Mahjong. Bangladesh is a land of river. Some of those banks overflow or crowd during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks during its monsoon. Many more villagers are threatened by the mighty rivers. Like the Jamuna, the Padma and the Meghna, It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1,000 people hundreds every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main danger caused by climate change. If we cannot take prompt action to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more meltdowns in our town and villages every year. This is the Tashi story of our life, and meltdowns actually ultra-modern poor. She lives on river of the Jamuna, the bank of the river Jamuna. Last monsoon, her shelter dropped by monsoon. Actually, made the Tashi story. Here we can remind the Merjan story. Try to find out the meaning of the word. What meaning? Property. Property. Monsoon. 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 Leaves. 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 Turmoil. Turmoil. We try to understand the Bengali meaning of this story of this word. Property. Sampatti. Sampatti. Monsoon. Monsoon. Dreams. Swapno. Lives. Or kudu. Turmoil. Can you understand? We see the meaning of this word. Or next, we try to find out the question solution. Where does Merjan live? Merjan lives in the bank of the river Jamuna. Actually, there are situated a slum. Actually, Merjan lives in a slum. Merjan lives in a slum. Here is the answer of this question. Question number 2. How does a shelter look like? A shelter অর্থাৎ তার আশ্রয়স্থল কেমন ছিল? আর shelter look like a cage. আর shelter look like a cage. তার আশ্রয়স্থলটা ছিল কেসের মতো, অর্থাৎ একটা খাঁচার মতো। This is the narrow place. And question number 3. How old she is? How old she is? তার বয়স কত? She is 45 years old. She is 45 years old. তার বয়স 45 বছর ছিল। What does Mary use to make fire for cooking her meal? Actually, Mary use leaves, straw. Mary leaves, straw, and fallen leaves, straw. This is the two things maybe answer. Mary use fallen leaves, straw to fire for cooking her meal. What does he know about Mary's family? Mary's family সম্পর্কে কি জানো? Mary's family was well off 100 years ago. She has family, cattle, property, etc. It may say she is well of family. এক সময় সে সচ্ছল পরিবারের লোক ছিল। That is final. It is a white final. Can you understand about this passage? And next you will try to understand this passage at your home. And next you will write home task. You will write home task in your khata. Task. Task, write 10 sentences about Mary's family. Thank you. We are going to close my lecture here. Thank you.